My name is Matthew Blythe. I'm an independent advisor specialising in the precision livestock technology world. When looking at introducing precision livestock technology, especially EID on farm, the first thing I would do is do a health plan review, looking at the last production year and to give me an idea of what treatments we did and what issues we've seen, so we can start planning for the year forwards. After this is completed, normally with your vet or an independent advisor, then we can start looking at what technology we might put on farm to help us record information of them treatments, as well as start monitoring other things like weight, body condition score, mobility score, DAG scores, whatever it is, we can monitor at the same time. So part of this review, I would start to add in a data capture plan. And part of that data capture plan would be what information we want to collect and at what time. And this goes into your health plan. Remember, there's only certain times a year that we are very time sensitive to capturing information, like pregnancy scanning at the moment. Do we need to capture it when we're beside the crate, or can we capture that later? It's how important that data is to you and processing it to make a decision on. So by scanning the ewes now, very stressful day, letting them out and capturing that up until the point of giving Heptavac, or even when you're giving the Heptavac or the Clostridial vaccine, and then using that data to make decisions backwards for the next production year is very vital. But times like lambing, it is critical. If you need the information, this is very important. If you need the information on ewe to lamb, or has it been a problem birth, that's when we need to record that information. But all we might need to record is if that animal needs culling. So if we're lambing outdoors, did it give me a problem? Just blip its tag. Do we need to know what problem it is? Probably yes, but that animal can come back indoors maybe if you're lambing outdoors, and we can just have a scanner and blip and have a list of 5 to 10 reasons that we might want to cull that animal. And if we put the right EID readers in place, that information can be brought back up later to help you make a decision.